These are our flammable stores. They're manufactured with 90 minutes fire protection for storage of highly flammable, low flash point chemicals in unsafe locations. So they've got 90-minute fire rated wall, and fire rated doors and fire rated intumescent vents. That would be a completed store, a 6 meter by 2.5 meter model FS6, very popular size. This would be the store before assembly. So it's all steel, robust, all welded steel construction. As you can see, the entire base of it is a bund for capturing and retaining spilled chemicals. It's epoxy coated to resist corrosion, and then you've got a rectangular hollow section framework, which is then assembled with our fire rated panels. So I'm going to show you a bigger store up here. Same 90 minutes fire protection. This one is a 7 by 3.5 meter. The customer has chosen to position the control panel on the rear wall. The control panel here is to control all the electrics basically come into that panel, but there's LCD controllers to control the temperature inside. It's got ATEX temperature control, heating and cooling. There are alarms. You can set a high and low level alarm, so if the temperature inside goes outside spec, it'll be an audible alarm, and then also this beacon will light, and you have spare contacts for your BMS, so a signal can be sent to your BMS on site. All the stores have forklift pockets for offloading and relocating on site if you need to, and they're all fitted with roof-mounted lifting eyes. As you can see, the cabling is in cable tray running along the outside. Those are the intumescent vents. They're the inlet vents in this case, and in the event of fire they will self-seal to seal up the entire wall. I'll just move around the front. That's the store. And as you can see, the double fire doors, in this case they're on the middle of the 7 meter wall. Many of the stores would have the doors on the end of the 2.5 meter wall, the narrow wall. But in this case the customer has chosen to put them on the middle of a 7 meter wall, which is actually very good for access. You're not coming in at one narrow end, you get into the middle of the store straight away. All the stores have safety and warning signage fitted. To identify the hazards inside. In this case, obviously highly flammables. It's a EX area or ATEX area, and all the stores will have a nameplate indicating the bund capacity, year of manufacture, laden weight, etc. This store has an ATEX extractor fitted, so that's the isolator there for the extract fan, and then the on-off switch for the ATEX lighting. It also has the wall-mounted MSDS holder, so on any of the safety documents or MSDS documents can be stored in there. That's the extract fan on the outside, the ATEX fan, and that's part of the cooling system. So we'll just have a look inside. All the doors have stainless steel lever handles and locks. Fully lockable and secure. On the inside then, if someone was locked inside, there's a tongue turn which will override the locking system, so you never get locked inside. This door has fitted with adjustable steel shelving, adjustable metal shelving, 600 millimeters deep. It's got ATEX lighting, ATEX heating or air warmers. It's got ATEX cooling. ATEX extraction fan, and in this case they've also gone for an ATEX socket, so they're plugging some electrical equipment inside. The floor grating is the small gauge grating, the mini mesh that we do, and this will allow trolleys and pallet trucks to run over without falling through the mesh. So it's a nice small pattern to allow wheels to roll over. And this customer's obviously getting a ramp as well. The ramp is just in there for transport. So that's the store in a nutshell. Thank you.